So yeah, Sunbird garage is pretty full of crap. I need to get here and clean this. It's supposed to be 60 degrees this weekend, Saturday. So yeah, I think maybe Saturday we'll be out here cleaning. Here's the big reveal. Still a long ways to go, but we've made a lot of progress. So let's see what we got going on here. There's my 68 to 72 Nova battery tray. I actually bolted it into the car, so I can remove it if I need to. New power steering box, new center link, all new tie rods obviously. There's the Justin Kill Overkill race cars K-frame. New master brake booster, master cylinder. This is not, this is used. I actually just cleaned it up, came out really good. I actually do have an NOS overflow tank that goes here, but it's over in a box somewhere. Inline tubes, stainless steel fuel line. This is a 3/8, oversized 3/8 fuel line. Inline tubes, brake lines. It's all stainless steel brake lines. And I'll tell you what, these brake lines fit amazingly well. The only one I had to tweak was this one right here. It wasn't bent in the right shape. It was close. It was just like they didn't finish the last bend. So they fit great. And I've got this full brake line kit in this car. What else? That's all up here. Oh, my powder coated bumper brackets. Had all my original hardware, and mostly my original hardware, cadmium plated. I think this is the original horn. I just sandblasted it and put it on the car. But yeah, I painted all the jams, the cowl. I should have painted all this when I did this in one fell swoop, so I got to come back and sand that and knock all the paint edges down and then paint all that when I'm ready to paint the whole car. But I painted all the jams because I want to try to get the doors back on it. But I'll tell you what, this is base coat, clear coat. It came out really, really well. And I wish I would have done the engine compartment in base coat, clear coat. But yeah, it came out really, really well. I'm really pleased with that. I painted the whole tail as well. Yeah, I had all these, I sandblasted all these, my bead blaster, and then had them all powder coated. Well, not the shocks, but I had a lot of these parts powder coated, and then I just cleaned up the shocks, the bumper shocks, and painted those. But those are on there too. But yeah, that's kind of the reveal of where we're at. Oh, you like my S10 roller wheels? Yeah, they're terrible. But I did get some Snowflakes. These are 15 by 7s, and I had to hunt for these forever. You can get brand new 15 by 8s all day, but 15 by 7s I couldn't find. So I could find ratty ones, and these ones were pretty nice when I got them. But you know, they look great in the picture. Maybe I'll insert a little picture here. They look great in the pictures, and when I drove 5 hours to get them, the paint didn't look good. So my buddy Larry actually had these refinished for me, and they came out great. They look really good, so I'm happy with those. They did put a little bit too much clear coat on the hub hole. I don't know what else you call that. So I had to take the Dremel and grind it out so that they fit the car. But and I'll need a spacer on the back. Front should be okay. Back spacing is a little much for these cars, but should work out good. And then these center caps, they're 79 to 81 Bonneville, and that came with the Snowflakes. And finding those is a nightmare. I have 3 so far. I found a 4th on eBay. The guy wants a little much for it, but I'm probably gonna buy it because I only need 1 more, and I might as well just cross it off the list. So, oh, I painted all inside here too with single stage. I should have painted this in base coat clear, but I didn't trust my skills yet. So, but yeah, that's it. Oh, here's my other center cap. Same with the Trans Am, just a different center, obviously. Trans Am has that Firebird looking thing and it goes in the middle. And these have the big red Pontiac symbol, which, here's my granny Sunbird with Snowflakes. It's got kind of the same center. I'll turn it upside down so it matches. So that's why I wanted to find these.